So this circuit's a 20 amp circuit, so I'm replacing a 15 amp with a 20 amp and different color. You know, these were all white, painted over them. So we're gonna replace them with white almond color ones, and I'm getting them upgraded to the right circuit size. So cutting the paint. Making sure I'm not stripping paint as I take this off. Checking to see if it's live. It's not. All right, what I'll do here. So I have my line in, load out, line in, load out. What I like to do is I like to just kind of keep things on there. Let's see if we can pull this guy. Just pull this guy out. My lines in first. I just go ahead and I just do these guys first. And then when that's done, a lot of times what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and, depending on how this is done, I can get this off easy. If it's tied really tight around it, I'll just take the screw off and then just do a new screw. I'll just put the old screw on, the new fixture, the new grounding screw. Loosen this a little bit. I'm gonna clip these a little bit too long. Where to put my back pocket? I'll come back and vacuum these up. I'm done with all of them. So I still have to clean the floors and vacuum after painting and get remaining dust. So electricians tend to be very messy and not clean up. I'm not electrician only, so I clean up after myself. Alright, there we go. Just be careful of the grounding wire. Pushing it back in there.